Hey loves, the metallic lip look is trending, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can achieve it with the Maybelline Python metallic lip kits available at Dollar Tree. I purchased the 3 Maybelline Python metallic lip kits that my Dollar Tree had for $1.25 each. I swatched the colors individually: lipstick, pigment, and a combination of the two. Passionate is a dark red lipstick with a deep red shimmer. This color combination is so pretty. Red is one of my favorite colors, so of course this lip kit is my favorite out of the 3. The formula of the lipstick is thin and lightweight. It has a nice amount of pigment to it. I suggest if you don't apply the metallic topper and you just want to wear the lipstick on its own, that you apply 2 coats. The shimmer topper is thin and very soft. It also did not dry out my lips. Valiant features a bright purple lipstick and a bluish green shimmer. I think this bright purple lipstick would pair very well with a mermaid costume or a cyber-themed look, or even a space-themed look. This is my second favorite because I really like how the lipstick looks on its own as well. Provoked is a brown-toned nude with a bronze shimmer. I am not a fan of this shade, simply because it is too light for my skin tone. It just doesn't match. However, I do think the shades on their own are pretty when swatched, and I think the bronze shimmer would look amazing over a deeper brown lip color. I think this trend is a fun way to spice up your favorite lip color or to experiment with something new. Have you tried this trend yourself? Let me know in a comment below. Also, tell me your thoughts on today's video, and until next time, bye loves!